You got him. Set him up, Mama.
Yep, I can see this going for the next hour.
This is how you get exercise. Good job!
Look at Jasper, here's a ball. If you throw this at him, it'll knock him all down. Throw the ball at him.
Yay! Good job! Woohoo! Oh yeah! Awesome. Jasper's going through everything. Uh-oh. What are you looking for? Oh. Liam's gonna get it. Oh!
Uh-oh, went under the couch.
Uh-oh. Liam might need to go under and get it.
Daddy.
Well, just because he's small enough.
He will, though. He'll get stuck under there while he's at it. Mommy will get it, Liam.